Hi guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. Today we'll be doing something different today. More of like unboxing. Don't forget the scissors. Okay, so I got Roblox Nerf gun. There it is, with all its glory. Just make sure we take a picture of that. There we go. Alright. So we are going to open this Super Soaker and redeem its code. Wait, gotta make sure we get this on camera. God, these ropes are hard. Snip. Oh. Snip. Wait, what? God, these ropes are hard to cut. Snip. Alright, there's one out. One thing I like about it is that it's so posable in the box. I never even knew that. Snip. Okay, you do not want to be in the snip. Alright, there we go. Oh. Wait. Okay, it's all good. This is kind of like a room tour. Yeah. Oh, God. There you go. See, it's cool. See, it's cool. Yeah, it's cool. But there's one more thing that we have to do. We're gonna have to do because this is very limited. And the Nerf gun event ended a long time ago, so we just gotta crack open the virtual item code. Where is it? Gotta crack open the virtual item code. Where is it? Make sure we also get this on camera. Wait, where's the code? Oh. Excuse me, guys. I'm dumb. Gotta read the instructions first. I wonder why we haven't gotten the code yet in this box. I thought it was gonna be in here, but it's not in there. Maybe it's just like a secret? Something, I don't know. Oh, got him. Oh, sorry about the technical difficulties. Just gotta get this out. What am I doing? What am I doing wrong that I haven't found this code yet? Did this not even have a code? Was I scammed? Or did I just have to store this? Nope, that's pure cardboard. What am I doing wrong? Come on, please tell me. How do I get the code for this? Maybe it's in like the instructions? Oh, it is. Alright. Finally found the code. Alright. Sorry to the people who wanted to, oh wait. It was a stream. Oh God. I guess shout out to Jump Around then. Oh no. Well, sorry for the people who actually wanted to get this code before I did. Alright, let's go to roblox.com/redeem so that we can redeem this exclusive code. I'm actually hyped. Sorry for the people who actually wanted to get this code before me. Well, I mean, it's how YouTube works. Yes! Let's go! I own the Sharkbite Shark 500. Let's go! Okay. I'm gonna put this on one of my older avatars, okay? Just to let you know I am a mobile user. Yeah. I've played a lot of starving artists. Just to let you know, I've played a lot of starving artists. So, yeah. Creations. Yeah, it's kind of annoying. You know what? Screw it. Let's just equip it in our actual avatar. So yeah, that's the unboxing video. I kind of destroyed the whole purpose of the box. So yeah, please like and subscribe. I don't know what I did wrong to deserve this. Well, it's a good thing that I actually got it. And I only have 2 Bobucks, so if you ever meet me at Starving Artist, which is probably not because you won't even know who I am. Just probably not because you won't even know who I am. Make sure you're looking for Sharkbite thing. If you ever meet me at Starving Artists, because I'm a big tipper, and there's gonna be like 0% chance you meet me because you don't even know who I am. Because people don't view this channel, okay? People don't view this channel as much as Lemitator Levy. So, equip one of my older avatars. Get the shark. Yep, it's this one. Okay, this is my nerf avatar. And now that I have the sharkbite nerf thing, just go back items. There it is. The shark bite. Let's remove this waste item because it's with a whole purpose. There we go. Wait, let's see how it looks like with this. Oh. I just wanted to see how shark bite looked with that. Yeah, I guess I could. Nah. I'm gonna do that. Update existing character. Yeah, I did a lot. Nerf battler. Alright. Nice. Got my Sharkbite Shark 500 bling. Got the code. Got the box picture. I'm ready. So, if you want me to showcase this in game for my next video, please like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. I'm not begging for subs, okay? I just want people to recognize me more, even though I hate getting recognized because I think it's evil. Yeah, so once we got that out of the way, I guess, bye. I guess. Hope you enjoyed. Right.